Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you on how I can program my garage door opener with a new key or clear all the rest the key the remote keys that were operating it before, and then I will reprogram them back. Why would I do this? I would do this if I had another previous remote. This is, by the way, the remote that I will use for this. It was also working for this. It still works right now. And also there was another one that was being used, and then now it's no more with me. So what I would do is that I'll have to clear the program where it will forget any previous remotes that were being used to control it, and then I can reprogram them back whoever I have with me. If I have if I got a new one, I would add it back. So I'm going to show you that this one is working. Okay. As you can see, the door is open, closing, and now I will open it back. So what this shows me is this remote works. It was connected, it works, it operates the garage. But what I would do is I want to clear everything that was being used before, including this one. So to do that, as you can see here, there is three items here. One of them is button here, and the other one is adjusters or calibrate, and the other one is light. So I will focus on this button. This button is the one that I use to clear it and then add also another one back. So to clear any one that was being used before, is I'm going to press and hold for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, this light indicator will show me something. It will light up and then it blinks, and also it will go off. Which tells me that any remote controller that will be used are cleared out. Nothing will be controlled. Nothing will control it. Now I'm going to press it. Okay, I'm going to start. Press. See, I will wait for 10 seconds, and I will wait for this light to show me some good indication to show that everything is clear. See. It's now around 10 seconds, and then it's blinked, and including the light, the lamp, it shows me something, which shows that it's cleared. Now this one, the one I showed you that were being used to open and close the door. Now I'm going to see if it still works. See, it works. It's not working at all. See here, the light is coming up. And also, it's also connected with the garage, because it's compatible. It's the same items that can be used, but it won't operate it because it wasn't programmed. So I'm going to program it. To program it, I'm going to press this button again, but it's going to be one time, one press. Just press and release it, and then I'll see a light that will ask me to connect it, and I will press the remote myself. So now I'm going to press this. I did, and then I'm going to click this. Now clicked it, and also it shows that they are connected. Now it's going to operate to open and close the door. I'm going to see. See, it closed it now. Previously, after I reset everything, or I cleared out everything, it wasn't working. Now, after I program it back, it's not working. It's working, it's closing it. I'm gonna open it again back. So, what this tells me is everything that were being used before to control the door are no longer going to be used unless I program them back. So if somebody has been here, was here, or previous owner, or previous friends who is no longer with me, and what? So the garage opener won't be used at all. Okay, so I also have another new one that I just got today, and I want to program it. As you see, it's new, and then also if I press it, it won't be used. But the good thing is, what if I press it, you'll see light coming here. The light indicates here that something is being pressed, but it's not programmed. To program it, like what I did before, I'm going to press this, and then I'll see the light, and then it'll ask me to press it, which means I'm going to press it. So now I'm going to press it, and then now it blinks. The bulb also itself blinks, which means they are connected. Now I can press it, it will close it. And see, it's closing it. I can stop it. I can open it back. Also, it's easy, it's straightforward. And then again, the product that I'm programming here is called. It's a product of Wayne Delton. It's called it's a proactive Pro Drive module. It is from Wayne Delton. So if you have this type of garage controller, definitely you can. This will help you to clear and reprogram your remote controllers. Hope this helps, and this is it for today. Have a good day. Thank you.